Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. Today I will be sharing a review of the Summer Journal Petite Planner, which was a sneak peek in the Erin Condren Summer Seasonal Surprise Box, which I reviewed yesterday. I gave an unboxing. I'll have that video linked below. I wanted to give a full video to this petite planner because there's so many amazing things inside of it. But just to give you guys an overview of the Erin Condren petite planners in general, they retail for $14 or you can buy 4 for $44. The sizing is 5.7 inches by 8.25 inches. The variety that they have includes budget, monthly, wellness, meal, daily goal setting, travel, gratitude, pregnancy, wedding, baby tracker, moments to remember. There's also accompanying stickers where there is a 2-pack for $5.50. Then there is the folio, and the folio is basically, it's a larger traveler's notebook if you guys are trying to figure out what that is, and you can comfortably fit 4 inside of that on-the-go folder. It retails for $20. If you would like to add a customization, it's an additional $5, so $25 is not bad at all. And it is available in 4 colors: black, lagoon, which is a light blue, champagne, and charcoal, which is a darker gray. So when it comes to all of the Erin Condren products, I am really pleased with the affordability of this petite line. Erin Condren planners can be very, very pricey once you add on the customization and the starting price in general. I know a lot of people love it. For me, it's expensive for a planner, but I do love the option of the petite planner because even if you don't want to get the folio and you don't want to buy the 4 for $44, you can start with just a simple planner like this. You don't need a cover on it. You can put it in your bag and be on your way for just $14. So that is a great affordable option. Getting into this planner, it includes 3 undated monthly spreads, daily journaling prompts, spaces for memory keeping, a list section for your summer to-dos, a world map to record all of your summer activities, and an exclusive metallic sticker sheet. So let's get right into it. Here's the beautiful design. This book belongs to page here. Let the sun shine in and let the summer begin. Each month you have the undated monthly spread with the sidebar over here for notes. You also have to do this month, birthdays, special occasions, and some dot grid space. Then we jump into the journaling prompts. I love the layout because it gives you space to write as well as adding a picture and of course the date. Another thing that's great about this layout is that sometimes when we're journaling, we're intimidated by the page and how much we're supposed to write. This is just ample enough space to get straight to the point for those that are not extensive journalers. So getting into the prompts, I want this summer to be, a moment that made me laugh today was, I want to create, people I want to connect with this summer. Something new I'm trying this summer is I relaxed today by, I am capable of, this month I. One of my favorite summertime accessories is, today I said yes to, today I celebrate. A party I want to throw this summer would be, a smell that always reminds me of summer is, I pushed myself today by, one of my best memories this week was, this month one of my favorite summer memories was, one of my favorite movies to watch in the summer is, I want to learn, if I could travel anywhere I would go to, summer makes me feel, one thing I do every summer is, a moment that made me smile today was, I'm looking forward to, my favorite summer food of all time is, my favorite summer song this year is, a step I took towards my goals today was, today I took care of myself by, one of my favorite places I went to this summer was, then today, this week, this month, this summer. And then there's a looking back and looking ahead page. For looking back, there's favorite moments, things I'll never forget, things I learned, and intentions. And then for looking ahead, things I'm excited about, plans I'm making, adventures I'm going on, and then a blank space for you to fill it how you choose. Then the same layout for the next month. Then we get back into the journaling prompts, and there's a couple that are redundant, but not that much. My favorite summertime activity is, a moment that made me laugh today was, I want to create. A moment I never expected this summer was, one of my goals for this summer is, I relaxed today by, I am capable of. A hilarious moment that happened this summer was, if I could spend my whole summer, if I could, I would spend my whole summer. Today I said yes to. Today I celebrate. One of my favorite memories of this summer was, one of my favorite summer traditions is, I pushed myself today by. One of my best memories this week was, so far this summer has been. Something I look forward to this summer, I want to learn. If I could travel anywhere, I would go to. Something I've let go of this summer is. Something I love about summertime is, a moment that made me smile today was. Someone new I met this summer was. A great party I attended this summer was. A summer tradition I've been enjoying is. A step I took towards my goals today was. Today I took care of myself by. The most interesting summer I ever had was. Then there's today, this month, this week, this summer. Looking back, looking ahead, moving into the last month in the planner. Same layout. Back to the journaling prompts. One of my dream summer vacations is, a moment that made me laugh today was, I want to create. One way I've grown this summer is, one of my favorite movies to watch in the summer is, I relaxed today by, I am capable of. This summer I didn't expect. A moment I was proud of this summer was, today I said yes to. Today I celebrate. This summer I read. This summer I learned. I pushed myself today by. One of my best memories this week was, my perfect summer night is. Another great memory I made this summer was, I want to learn. If I could travel anywhere, I would go to. One of my favorite places I went to this summer was. Something I created this summer was. A moment that made me smile today was. I'm looking forward to. Next summer I'm going to. I really enjoyed spending this summer with. A step I took towards my goals today was. Today I took care of myself by. A goal I accomplished this summer was. Then today, this month, this week, this summer. Looking back and looking ahead, same layout. Then we get into the summer list. There's nearby places to visit, faraway places to visit, places to eat, places to shop, summer day activities, summer night activities, books to read, movies to see, and then you have 4 spaces to make lists of your own. Then here is the map with Wanderlust. With Wanderlust at the bottom, and it says mark where you've been and where you want to go. So there's one half, and then here is the other half. And then it ends with that beautiful print that is the same on the outside with Soak Up the Sun. You have a pocket back here, and then you have this sticker sheet. Now there were sticker sheets that came in the surprise box for those that received that, which would go amazing with this planner, but these were an exclusive. This sticker sheet here, you have deco, and then you can add these stickers to your monthly calendars. There's 3 sets, 1 to 31, so you'll have plenty of stickers to cover those months, to date them, and the deco is always a nice touch. So overall, I love this thing. I love the concept of this. When it comes to banking or tanking, I usually tank Erin Condren planners for the simple fact that the price is very, very steep. It's not an affordable choice for a planner. I know the cover and the paper and the coil, and I know all that goes into it, but when it just comes to affordability for a planner, I usually do tank, but I'm going to bank this particular product. I love this. If I were to spend money on another Erin Condren product, it would definitely be this. I'm currently using a disc bound planner, but I love this. I love the price of the folio. I love the variety that they have of the petite planners, and this one is a great addition. And another thing is that, again, if you don't get the folio, you can use these planners as a standalone. The structure is already there for you. If I do plan on using this summer, I will be sharing it, but I would love to hear your thoughts on what you think about the Erin Condren Petite planners. Again, if you haven't seen what's inside of the summer 2019 Erin Condren seasonal surprise box, be sure to check out my video. I'll link it for you guys. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. Be sure to check out all the links in my description box. My blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. And I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!